This is a demonstration of the Hasbro Interactive Voice Control Kit that I built for our full-size astromech droids. This is the conversion panel that I built right here. It's got all the connections where we can interface the electronics we have in our full-size droids. The board on the top and the board underneath are both part of the Hasbro Interactive Voice Control droid. It's the parts that we harvested from inside, as are many of these sensors that we see laying around here. I have this hooked up right now to a set of PSI lights, an old logic display that I had, and I'm using a couple 50-watt halogen bulbs here to demonstrate how much power we can draw out of the 12-volt outputs if we want. I have them hooked up as a holo projector and a video projector simulation here, and I'll show you how those are broke out separately. We also have the audio output that is broken out so that we may amplify it. I've got that hooked up to an amplified speaker. It allows us to control how loud the system is. I'll go ahead and power it up and show you the various features operating. Now we're going to turn this on. Just like you would turn on any of the accessories on your droid, you could have a relay or a power switch, have it connected to the main 12-volt power to come on, and Barry's already talking to us. We can get quite a bit of volume out of the amplifier if we wish. You can see here it's controlling the flash rate of the PSIs. It's also powered on the logic, even though logic's got its own flash thing going on. So he's already trying to talk to us here. We'll see if we can get him to respond. R2, light beam. Hey R2, behave yourself. Light beam. Okay, and see, that's probably really bright for the video, but that's one of the halogens. Hey R2, light beam. Okay. And you notice that when we said, here he goes again, light beam. You notice that this one came on here. And we got to be careful in normal conversation. If you happen to say light beam very loud at all, he hears you and turns it on. AR2, reset system. Seems to be particularly chatty right now. And then the other, now what we're going to do is we're going to tell him to play the Princess Leia message. And when we do that, you should see this one here come on. AR2, play message.
This is our most desperate hour. Help me, Obi-Wan Kenobi. You're my only hope.
And you see we get the one on the left to come on. And it turns itself back off. Now the reason why there's a delay there is because we have to analyze the flash rate of the Hasbro PSI drivers, which allows us to tell which light's supposed to come on, but it takes about 1.5 to 2 seconds to do that. Hey R2. Hey R2. Behave yourself. And that's basically it. It plays all the same games and all the other things that the toy does. It's just that now we have the full-size electronics being driven by the Hasbro system. So we'll demonstrate one more thing here, which is a power down and power back up based on the sensors on the droid here. Hey R2. Command mode. Command mode. Behave yourself. Hey R2. Command mode. Command mode. Switch off. And there we have a switch sequenced power down operation. Notice I had to use a little discipline on him, and that's normal for how the Hasbro droid works. It doesn't always accept all commands on the first try, but that's kind of part of the fun. Now, as I said, all the other sensors are currently still active, so waking the system back up is just a matter of waving your hand in front of the IR sensor or making a little noise, and you'll see the system power everything back on when that happens. And there he is, back awake again. So that's the Hasbro Interactive Voice Control System running our full-size electronics.